Crumbs is a geolocation-based chat room that utilizes the native HTML5 geolocation method, as well as React, Node with Express, JSON Web Tokens, and MongoDB for a database. When the user first comes to the Crumbs application, they are shown a login landing page in which they can go ahead and log in or sign up. Say potentially I don't have an account and I wanted to sign up as Bob. Go ahead and input my passwords. So when Bob first signs up, a little bit of what happens in the background is a request is made to the server and then to the MongoDB database, and it'll verify whether Bob is already an account within the database. If it's not, then it'll go ahead and create a new database record with Bob and hash the password using bcrypt. And at the same time, it'll generate a JSON web token and send back that token back down to the application so that Bob will have that token available for all subsequent requests made in the chat application. The benefits of doing this, especially for a chat application, if you want to go ahead and authenticate each message that was sent, that active token will make sure that Bob is the real user who's sending the messages. So when Bob first logs into the Crumbs application, you can see the latitude and longitude coordinates at the top of the application, and Bob can go ahead and join the available room. So Bob sees that Roy went ahead and made a message near my location within the past 5 minutes, and he wanted to go ahead and grab some lunch or maybe play a game. So he can go ahead and message Roy. Hey Roy, see that you're near my location. We should grab some food while you are around. So as soon as Bob will send that message, as long as Roy is using that application, I'll go ahead and log out. Now remember, whenever I log out, the token will be destroyed and a new token will have to be created. So let's say Roy is hypothetically logged in inside of the application on another phone or computer. He'll instantly receive Bob's message. Now this instantaneous connection is achieved because Socket.io was used for the communication between the client and the server. This is ideal for chat applications because there's a lot of requests that are made and sent back down from the database. So you want to establish an open connection instead of having a bunch of mini requests being made. So Roy sees Bob's message and he says, yeah, of course, sure. And then they can go ahead and coordinate from there. Another benefit of using JSON Web Tokens in lieu of the normal cookie strategy is that the client will now be taking care of the authentication rather than the server. For a scalable app such as a massive chat application for social media, it would be ideal rather than to loading up the server with numerous requests to just have the client deal with the token so that the application will not have as much strain on the servers. The application was intended for mobile use, so it was built with a mobile first media query and built responsive. So as you can see, even if you shrink down the width of the screen, it looks ideal for how a user would want to see a chat application on a mobile application, and it is responsive through all the different media queries and all the way up to desktop. For future iterations of this application, potential new developers can take this chat application and evolve it into a scavenger app where users are posted at one location and will instruct the next clue is at 38 and 122. Then they'll go ahead and add the message so that anyone who's participating in this chat application scavenger hunt, when they finally get to this location, well, they can go ahead and see that they need to go to 38,122, and then they can go to the next spot. This is about it for Crumbs. Hope you have enjoyed this quick little demo, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.